It can be hard to know what type of coverage you need and when. Let's talk about the different types of coverage, when you need them and when you don't. While there is no real definition for quote-unquote full coverage, most people use this term to describe a policy that includes liability protection plus collision and comprehensive coverage. Combined, these protect your vehicle in case of an accident or damages other than a collision, such as theft, fire, or weather damage. When you have a lease or a car loan, this combination of coverage is usually required until you turn the lease in or pay off the car loan. Once that happens, you may be tempted to change your coverage. But before you do that, you need to determine the car's actual cash value and weigh it against how much the coverage costs. The actual cash value is the replacement cost of your vehicle minus depreciation. The most popular way to find this number is by using an online calculator on a trusted site like Kelley Blue Book. Let's say you have a 2015 Toyota Camry and the value is around $15,000. Consider a few things. Do you have savings to use as a down payment towards a new car? Do you have a spare car at home you can use if this one is a total loss? Can you comfortably afford to take on a new loan right now? How much is your current policy costing you? And what is your deductible? If you are still paying a higher premium for liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage and can afford to buy a new car if something happens to yours, you could save money by removing the collision and comprehensive coverage. However, if you want to keep your vehicle for a long time or can't afford to buy a new one anytime soon, you may need the protection that the combination of liability, collision, and comprehensive insurance gives you. The benefit of this type of coverage in the event of a total loss is that after you pay the deductible, you will get a check for the car's remaining value. One option that is an excellent compromise for many people is to remove collision coverage but keep comprehensive coverage. Drivers are more likely to need comprehensive coverage as it protects against things out of their control like fire, theft, vandalism, glass breakage, and weather damage. Deciding what type of coverage to carry is a difficult and complex decision. It's one we help people with every day. Jerry is here to make these times less stressful. Download the Jerry app and then text or call us. We're always here for you.